Hello, hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and this, I believe, is part 7 in producing the Barstool project. Now, in a previous video, we showed the dry fit just like this, and when we put on that square seat, we were not satisfied with how it looked. It was just too big for their overall design. The proportions were not correct. In CAD software, it looked great, but in real life, we needed to make some changes. So in this video, we're going to show some seat variations. First, we're going to show how we took the actual seat that we cut earlier and resized it. And second, the variation is making it into a round seat. So let's go show you how that's done. Now, because this seat is simply going to be a smaller design, we were able to use the seat that had the biscuit joints along the top, and we're going to reuse that. First thing we're going to do is we're going to carve the surface down 0.15 inches deeper to remove all of those biscuit joints so we can use this in the final glue up. We're going to perform the exact same cutting techniques that we used last time, but everything is being scaled to a 12-inch by 12-inch square seat versus a 15 by 15 square seat. This seat is now resized and ready to be tested with the dry fit of the stool. Now for the second variation of the seat. This is going to repeat the same steps that we took on the square seat to where the first side needs to be surfaced and pocketed for the round mortise to join directly to the threaded shaft. Afterwards, we'll flip it over to side 2 and surface that second side as well. The final thickness for this seat will again come out to 1.75 inches thick. Except this time we're going to be carving a round circular design instead of a square design. For this seat, instead of carving a simple dish into the seat, we used the same dual cup design that was in the square seat to be used also here in the circle seat. Once carved, we will still apply a 3/4 inch radius with this round and route bit. The same cutting technique is still taking place with this radius tool to where it's actually following the curve of the dish between all 4 high points. After testing out this carved shape on the square design, I felt so comfortable we wanted to apply it to the circular design. Using the same 2-flute straight cutter, we cut out the part, leaving behind some tabs so that the part doesn't come loose during the final relief cut. This is now ready to be attached to the dry fit design, and let's go see what that looks like and compare the 2 seat variations. We're planning to build 2 bar stools, and so we will use both the square and the round seat variations for the final projects. If you're interested in learning more about what a Legacy CNC can do for you, I recommend you visit our website at legacywoodworking.com. Now, if you have any questions, you can always leave them down below in the comment section, but you're always welcome to talk to one of our CNC experts by calling 801-491-0010. If you'd like to see more cutting demonstrations, just like what you saw today, just click right over there. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, check that notification box so you can be notified when new videos like this come out. And as always, thank you for watching. And remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.